Hi guys, my name is Pratham. I am from LearnCloud.live. We are going to look today Win32 application deployment with Intune. Once we have an application, we need to convert the application .intune Win extension, and that can be done via content prep tool. Once we convert the file with .intune Win file, we'll upload the file to Intune portal and provide the recommended configuration like installation, uninstallation commands, and detection rule, supersedence, assignments, and so on. Once we upload the application, we'll assign to it to a device group and user group, and we'll check then the application is available which we have deployed to enroll device. Alright, I have taken up a 7zip.msi file. So we'll download .msi file. I have searched .msi file and you will get something like this, and you need to download .msi file. So I'll choose .msi file with the version of 23.01, and the 64-bit is supported to my laptop. I'll download this. Once it is downloaded, alright, it is downloaded. Now I'll open this file and bring this package to my other location where I kept all the other supported files. Alright, so Win32, I'll remove this version and I'll paste this one. Okay, let's quickly do it. Let me cut this and put on my other location. Okay, so file is here, and that's my content prep tool. So the next step is we need to convert the application .intune Win file. For that, we need to download content prep tool, and that can be downloaded from GitHub. If you search the application on Google, content prep tool, you can find out on GitHub. You will find a link of GitHub and click on it, and you will get page something like this. Click on this download button, and the file will be downloaded, and it will look like this. All right. Now launch this application as an administrator. Specify the source folder, which means I have to provide the location where my application is situated. So my application in this folder, I'll copy the location from the top, or I'll just choose this way, copy as path. I'll choose the path. It's just asking for the source folder location. Specify the source folder. This is my source folder. I do not need to specify the name of the file, and that's it. Hit enter and the setup file. So now it is asking for the setup file. So this is my setup file. I'll choose copy as a path, and here it is. It's showing .msi file only because it's not showing any name. That's why it's showing .msi. I'm hitting enter. Now it is asking for the output folder. Output folder where the .intune Win file will come. Alright, so simply I'll choose the other location over here. I'll put outside, so I'll put something like that. I'll create a folder over here as an output Win32. I'll choose this location as output, and I'll copy this location. I'll paste over here. Okay, it has taken up, and now I do not wanted any catalog folder, and it is created. Now you can see .intune Win file is in this folder. We need to open our portal. This is our portal. So we'll click on apps, Windows. We'll click on add. We'll choose Win32 application as the type of application which we are going to learn today. However, if you want to learn about other types of application, you can click on I button, and you will get to know more other type of application in Intune as Windows deployment. So again, we'll choose apps, Windows, and add application, Win32 application. Select app package, .intune Win file. I need to choose where I actually exported. The folder is situated on desktop. The name is output folder, and this is my output file. This is 1.82 MB size. It should not exceed more than 8 GB. If it is exceeding more than 8 GB, any package, and if you needed a more requirement, like you wanted an application to be extended more than 8 GB, then you have to open a ticket with Microsoft, and request will be forwarded to next level, and then your tenant will be allowed to, you can upload more than 8 GB file. So as of now, there is a limitation. You can upload maximum 8 GB package, not more than that. But if you needed more than that file, you would require open a ticket with Microsoft. All right, going ahead. Here's the name of the application. I'll keep it as it is. Description, I'll keep it as it is. Publisher, I'll make this as 7-zip. And app version, it is already taken. When we choose a .msi file, it takes all the information automatically. But when we say in .exe file, we have to provide all the details. That depends on the developer as well. If developer has provided those details, that's okay. If not, then you have to ask the developer. You can contact the particular application developer and get those information like installation and installation command, or you can have somebody who has packaged the application in your organization. If somebody is in the packaging, they can get the application packaged, and as per the details, installation can be done. Moving forward, these are something category which you can choose. For right now, I'm not choosing anything. Show this feature updated feature app in the company portal. I do not want it. And these are optional information. I'm going to click next. Now you can see the installation command is showing MMSI execution I.msi. That's my package name, and that's QM, which means a silent installation. So if I wanted to install it silent, it will be silently installed on the backend. And uninstallation, this is the MSI package code, and that will be targeted to uninstall. We have a new feature which is allow available uninstall in case of end user wants to uninstall the application by itself via company portal. If the end user install it, they can have this option to uninstall as well. So right now it is showing yes, I am keep it as it is. Installation behavior, I'll make it since term. I do not want it to change it. Looks fine to me, and return code would be like this. And if I wanted any specify error, or any developer will provide you any kind of error codes, you can specify by clicking on add. I do not have anything. I'm going to click next. I'll choose the operating system. I'll choose 64-bit. In some cases, some users have a 32-bit system. May they have an old version of system which supports only 32-bit, or the application which you upload it, if it is 32-bit, you have to choose the architecture correctly. I'm choosing right now both of them. And I'll choose the supported version because 20H2 has been out of service, and 21H1 is 2. 21H2 is the one which isn't currently running, and so we are going to choose this one only. These are the optional information. If you wanted expected MB required before installation in the C drive, you can mention the expected memory. Similarly, the other details is I do not wanted to be configure that much. If you need any more information, or if you want to more configure the application, you can check out the Microsoft article, which I'll mention in the description link in this video. You can also visit our website, which is learncloud.live. With the blog section, you can see the more details about the Win32 application configurations. Moving forward, next, this is the detection rule. Now, detection rule, you can choose a manually or use a custom description, which means this will check every time your device if the application is installed or not, or whatever the detection I am going to choose, that will be check on the each end user's device. If Intune finds that script, or if Intune finds the detection which I'm going to specify, that means the application is there, and it will show this is installed successfully. If it isn't found on the end user's device, then that's a problem. So it will show as a failure. So make sure we are providing a correct detection script. Over here, it's a MSI file. If I choose manually and I'll click on add, there are three types of rule type in manually: MSI, file, or registry. So file and folder location we can specify. We can specify registry, where the application making a registry. or we can choose a MSI. Right now for this one I'm choosing MSI because MSI will take automatically the product code. As I told you in the beginning of the video, it is already has taken the product code. So I'm going to click OK. I do not need to want to change anything. Clicking next. And for dependency, we don't wanted any dependency. For example, if you wanted to open any PDF file, a PDF Adobe application should be there before we opening a PDF file. So two application will make a one dependency before. If this application going to install, the first one should be there on the device, so that will first install the first application and the second application will be installed later on. If you find it confusing, please feel free to visit our website, which is learncloud.live. Clicking next. Supersedence. If we wanted to upgrade package from current version to next available version, we can choose upload over here and we can choose that version, and the package will be upgraded to the end users devices automatically. Clicking next. This is the assignment. I have to choose a device group or user group, and then based upon that the application will take effect. And as of now I'm not choosing any group. I'm just creating and saving this application and reviewing and save the. I'll review the application. I think everything is fine. Alright, I'll create it. Before that, I wanted to tell you that Win32 application has multiple configuration like program, requirement, detection rule, dependency, and supersedence. This is the beauty of Win32. You have a multiple ways you can configure your application before it is going to deploy on the end user's device. Alright, I'm going to create this. Alright, after once you click on create, it will be taking 1 or 2 minutes. Then you will see a process, how much time it is taking to upload an application. Because it's a small application, 1.2, 1.8 MB file, it might not take 2 to 3 minutes. It will be uploaded soon. Alright guys, you can see the application has been uploaded. It is showing upload of Intune package.intune win is finished. I'm going to click on properties of this application. I'm going to click on edit, and I'll choose the requirement as assignment for this time, which means the application will automatically install on the backend on the end user's device. If you know more about assignments, you can check out our video by clicking on the I button, and you will get to know about the assignment types, how many assignments we have available in Intune and their workings. So this time I'm going to choose as required. Application will install automatically on end user's device, and this is the only group I have available. I have added my users over there. Win32 application group I had created, and I'm going to choose this, review and save. In a few minutes, device will take the precedency of the application, and application will automatically install on the backend. In case any issue comes, the error will be appearing over the portal. So we can check out the status by clicking on device status or user status. We will see if device has been got the application. We'll see the device name and detail, and with the status in detail. All right. I hope I have covered everything in Win32 with most of the things. If you need to know more about Win32 or any other application, please check out our videos on YouTube and check out our website learncloud.live. Thank you very much for watching us.